What happens when ancient traditions meet bold new ideas? When creativity breathes new life into heritage? In Module 4, you'll explore how creativity, tradition, and innovation come together to shape the future of cultural and creative industries. You'll discover that tradition isn't stuck in the past, it's a living source of inspiration, identity, and expression. And creativity, it's not just for artists, it's a skill you already have. In this module, you'll learn how creativity takes many forms: artistic, applied, collaborative, and cultural, and how innovation can happen in technology, business, and even how we tell stories. Through engaging activities like Tradition Remix and Crazy 8 brainstorming, you'll reimagine traditions, explore creative solutions, and build ideas that blend past, present, and future. This is your chance to become a creative changemaker, someone who